Welcome. If you want to set up alarm clock in your VIVO Y11s, open clock application, then move to the alarm at the bottom. We are going to activate one of them, and right now it's turned on. We can also customize, so let's click on it. At the first, we can set up the hours and the minutes. We can also set the repeat, so we can activate for every day on the week. We can change the default ringtone. And of course we can turn off or turn on vibration, and we can change the label. Click on the right upper corner to confirm, and as you can see, it's turned on. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.